Hi, everyone. Well, many of you have told me that you are interested in moving to San Juan del Sur and you are considering buying something. So today I thought that I would walk around my neighborhood and show you a couple of things that are on the market right now. And yeah, it would be fun to take a look at what is currently available. So I'm going to show you two completely different properties. The first one is going to be a very affordable option, and that could be a perfect for someone who's looking for a vacation home, a rental property, or a place to spend part of the year. The second property is a little more aspirational and offers a completely different lifestyle. The nice thing is that both of these properties are located in my neighborhood within walking distance of the pickleball court. So let's start off with property number one. This is a studio apartment located in La Talanguera, one of the most desirable neighborhoods in San Juan del Sur. It's just a couple of blocks from the beach and comes fully furnished and is listed for only $99,000 US. For many people looking for a vacation property, retirement getaway, or investment rental, that price point makes this one of the most accessible options currently available in the area. As someone who is living in this neighborhood, I can tell you that La Talanguera is popular because it is close enough to town that you can walk to almost everywhere, but also far enough away that we don't hear a lot of the noise. It's much quieter and more relaxed than being right in the center of town. The studio is part of Talanguera Townhome Complex. This development includes a number of larger townhomes, but this particular unit is one of the smaller studio apartments. One of the things I really like about this complex is the common area that it has. It features a beautiful swimming pool, mature landscaping, and a quiet atmosphere that feels tucked away from the hustle and bustle of town. Even though it feels secluded, you're still very close to everything. The center of San Juan del Sur is just minutes away, and many people choose to walk along the beach to get into town. So for $99,000 US, you're getting a fully furnished studio apartment in La Talanguera with a pool, fiber optic internet, parking, air conditioning, and easy access to both the beach and to downtown San Juan del Sur. So that is option number one. Now let's talk about the aspirational beachfront luxury estate. The second property I want to show you is truly spectacular. In fact, it's even closer to the pickleball court, and it is directly on the beach of San Juan Bay. The home features that's right, 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, and sits on 1,819 square meters of property. It is being offered fully furnished and is ready for enjoyment immediately. One of the highlights of this property is that it has a stunning swimming pool overlooking the beach. Adjacent to the pool is a covered gazebo. It is the perfect setting for entertaining guests or just relaxing or simply enjoying one of San Juan del Sur's famous sunsets. Inside the home, you will find 3 master suites with king-size beds. 2 of those master bedrooms have balconies that have breathtaking ocean views. The suites also include walk-in closets, and every bedroom is equipped with air conditioning, which makes life comfortable all year round. Like many buyers today, reliable internet is very important, and this property includes high-speed fiber optic internet. Additional features include hot water throughout the home, a private water reserve tank, and a security wall that encapsulates the entire property. What makes this property truly unique is that you can watch the sunset over the Pacific Ocean while admiring the Christ statue that looks over San Juan del Sur. It is a view that never gets old, no matter how many times you see it. And despite feeling like you're in a private retreat, you are still within walking distance of downtown San Juan del Sur to all the bars and restaurants, the shops, and all of the amenities that make this town spectacular. This exceptional beachfront property is currently listed at $1,790,000 US. So there you have it. I wanted to show you 2 completely different options that are on the market right now. One that may be within reach for many people who are looking to make a move to Nicaragua, and another that might be a dream home for some while still being attainable for others. Now, I am curious about you. If you were considering moving to San Juan del Sur, how many bedrooms would you want? How many bathrooms are necessary? Would you want to be right on the ocean? Or would you rather be up in the hills with just an ocean view? Or would you be willing to trade that ocean view in for something that's more affordable? So these are all of the questions that you should ask yourself if you are considering moving to San Juan del Sur. I hope you found this video interesting, and I hope to hear from all of you about this. If you did find it interesting and enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I will see you on the next one.